Are you an NSO victim? I mean a legit one, like journalists, reporters, human rights activists, and political dissidents that has been hacked by the NSO group Spyware Pegasus. We are here to help free of charge. Contact our consultants. We will explain to you how to secure in an unbreakable way your communications, how to make sure that nobody can read or listen or decipher your confidential data exchanged online and stored maybe online. Contact us, we help free of charge, and we give you all the tools necessary.